Hello, welcome to Rising Sun Immigration and Study. Now, you will listen to some daily English conversations in different places and situation. Thus, you will learn vocabulary and improve your English listening and speaking skills. Let's get started. Hey Mark, have you heard about the latest environmental initiative?
No, what is it?
Well, some people are trying to live a zero-waste lifestyle.
Zero waste? What does that mean?
It means that they try to produce as little waste as possible by reducing, reusing, and recycling everything.
That sounds interesting, but how do they do it?
They bring their own reusable bags, containers, and water bottles. They also compost their food waste and buy in bulk to avoid packaging.
Wow, that's a lot of effort. I don't think I could do that.
Yeah, it's not easy, but it's worth it for the environment.
I guess you're right. But what about all the waste we've already produced? How can we deal with that?
Well, we can start by properly disposing of it and recycling as much as possible. We can also support companies that use eco-friendly materials and packaging.
Good point. But what about all the plastic that's already out there?
We can try to reduce our use of single-use plastic, and support efforts to clean up the oceans and beaches.
That makes sense. But what if we can't live a zero-waste lifestyle? Does that mean we're bad for the environment?
No, of course not. Every little bit helps, and it's important to do what we can.
That's true. I'll try to be more mindful of my waste and support eco-friendly initiatives.
Great. Let's start by bringing our own reusable bags to the grocery store.
Sounds like a plan. And maybe we can wear matching eco-friendly t-shirts while we're at it.
That's a great idea. We'll be the most fashionable environmentalists around.
Yeah, we'll be the envy of all the trees.
Speaking of trees, did you know that deforestation is a major environmental issue?
Yeah, I've heard that. It's terrible for the environment.
Exactly. Trees absorb carbon dioxide and provide oxygen, so we need to protect them.
But how can we do that?
Well, we can support sustainable forestry practices, and buy products made from sustainably sourced wood.
That sounds like a lot of work, but it's worth it for the environment.
Absolutely. We only have one planet, so we need to take care of it.
Yeah, I don't think Elon Musk has a backup planet yet.
Exactly. Let's do our part to keep this one healthy and thriving.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel.